Where's my stimulus check? What's up, YouTube? I know a lot of people have been asking, like, where's my stimulus check? I'm supposed to be getting my check Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Where's my stimulus check? So today's video, we're gonna try to break this down and give you guys an update as far as the stimulus check. If you guys are new to Chime, or you guys are wondering, hey, what is Chime? You guys want to download Chime right now, they're going to be giving you guys $75 just for downloading. And what Chime is checking account, savings account, you get a credit builder account, you get paid 2 days early, there's no transaction fees, there's no overdraft fees. They'll actually spot you with the overdraft feature. If you use my link to download it, they will be spotting you guys up to $200. So it's a very, very fast, convenient way of building your credit, savings account. All you gotta do is link up your direct deposit right to your account. Now back to the stimulus checks. Now if you guys want more information as far as that, check the description because I got a playlist full of all those questions. So if you guys want to check those out as well. But back to the stimulus checks. Now this is an update because a lot of people have been saying, and this has also been a true thing, where some Chime members have been receiving the direct deposits or stimulus payments on the weekends, So we're going to see, today's Saturday, we're going to see if anybody, and I want to know if anybody received their Chime stimulus payment amount, whatever, $600 today, Saturday, or yesterday, or when did you receive it? If you haven't received it, drop the comments below as well, because we're just trying to figure out, when are they dropping? Are they going off certain states, certain dates? So exactly what's going on with the Chime stimulus update. I know a lot of people have been asking questions as well. It's like, how can I sign up with Chime? And I try to explain this in my videos. So with Chime, you can easily sign up. It takes about 3 minutes, 5 minutes tops. Use my link, I'll put it right up there, but you can easily sign up. It takes like 3 to 5 minutes. And as I mentioned before, you have all those benefits. So it would be a good way to sign up. And the best way to sign up would be on your mobile phone. I'm pretty sure if you're watching this, about 8 out of 10, you're probably watching, 8 out of 10 people are probably watching this on your phone. So, but if you are watching this on desktop, just click the link. That's all you gotta do is click the link. You'll be signed up. It'll let you know all the benefits that you'll receive as well. Like I said, they're giving out $75. So $75 given out to you guys. Easy. Now with the stimulus check, a lot of people have been receiving it on, what was it? The 29th. Early as the 29th, people was receiving them. So I break this down because today is, like I said, today is the 2nd. Today is the 2nd of January. So with that being said, and it's a Saturday. Some people are going to get paid today, some people are not. But if you don't get paid Saturday, there's no banks processing anything. Nothing's being ran on Sunday. So that's 2 days right there. We'll have to wait it out, So that's 2 days right there. Then Monday, which would be the 4th. So the 4th. So around the 4th or the 5th, people are estimating when you should receive your stimulus checks. If you already received your stimulus checks, like I said, drop the comments below. And if you're still waiting, drop the comments below. That way we can try to get a date. But yeah, those stimulus checks are estimated to drop around the 4th or the 5th. Based on that, like I said, there's nothing being ran on Sundays, no banks, there's no processing, nothing. Chime states on their website that they only process Monday through Friday. I was gonna try to look it up for you guys, but you guys can look it up. But they only process Monday through Friday, meaning, like I said, the weekends is over with. Now, some Chime members, because there's a different bank involved, process on Saturdays, I've heard. So that's what I want to know as well. If you got anything on Saturday, Friday or Saturday, let me know. And that way, I know some of the earlier Chime members where they use a different bank. I don't know what they got 2 different banks now. But some of the older Chime members got the older bank who does that processing on Saturdays. So if you guys are lucky, salute to you. A lot of people got that $200 spot me feature as well when I was asking, where's my stimulus check? Guys, it should be on the way. So if they spot you that $200, that's like a guarantee of like, they know you're getting that check soon, and you'll probably be one of the first ones to get that check if you haven't already got that check. Now, that's just what I'm assuming, because if they're going to spot you the $200 and only a select amount of people $200, you're going to get your check, or they're expecting your check soon, or they may already have your check and it's just getting processed. So that's how you guys got to look at it. I would definitely wouldn't stress if you guys had the $200 spot me, because they know your check is coming. You know, it's the people that, like I said, there's a lot of people out there who's not sure if they use Chime, they use another bank, they don't know what they use. So for those people, like I said, you can check in your Chime statements right through the app, slide all the way down, look at those statements and see if you receive that payment or not, but also check the spot me feature as well in the settings. That way you guys can see if you guys are qualified for the $200. Now a lot of people didn't even know that, that you can be qualified for the $200. All you have to do is check in your settings, but if you guys want to easily download Chime, use that link, use the link in the description. It's $75 to you, quick, easy, simple amount of money. That's all you have to do. Now, the stimulus check as well, I want people to know that, number one, Sunday, nothing's getting ran. So a lot of people was commenting saying, I'm getting it on Sunday. I don't know, I'm not too sure about that one, but hey, it's this day and age, you never know. Like I said, I'm pretty sure stuff is getting processed. It could be a glitch somewhere. So if you're receiving it on Sunday, and I'll try to make an update video on that, but if you're going to receive it on Sunday, drop the comments below as well if you really think Sunday is the day. It's tough, man. It's tough. Like I said, I read comments, I read everything. People lost their jobs, people got medical issues, people have, people got bills to pay, and they need this stimulus check to catch up on those bills. So with the delays and, they're expecting one date, they may be telling the person they owe this day, that day. So you really never know what's going on with people, and that's another thing. But I do know the $600 stimulus checks should be around next week. I made in my other video, it was a statement that I made. It was like, I was going to receive $2,000. Things changed that fast. So you really never know exactly if it's going to be $2,000, $600. But I know for now, there's just a $600 stimulus check. There's no $2,000 stimulus check yet. I'm pretty sure next week as well is when they're going to do the approval, they're going to do the votes. So I think it actually might be more, but you never know. As of right now, it's just $600, and American people, they need the money. We need the money, so I understand people say they got medical bills, they got expenses, car rentals, they got a lot of things, so a lot of bills, family, stuff like that. So like I said, drop the comments below if you guys got any questions. I will keep you guys updated. Please subscribe, that way you guys are updated to the latest news when it comes to Chime, because Chime, they plug me in, right? You know that, right? So stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Man, don't forget.